In this video, I'm sharing with you how to make whipped coffee, which is the TikTok viral coffee that is going around and trending right now, but we are going to make it a little bit healthier. It's a delicious, frothy coffee that you can definitely make at home. So you're going to need a couple packets of instant coffee. Instant coffee is super important in this recipe because it reacts different than your normal ground coffee. You can definitely change this out for any instant coffee you have on hand. And the general ratio in order to make this frothy coffee is 2 tablespoons of everything or 2 packets of the instant coffee along with the sweetener and the water. So to make this a bit healthier, I am using the Lakanto monkfruit sweetener. You can also use coconut sugar, date sugar, or maple sugar. And then we're adding in a couple tablespoons of water. So this is the ratio. You need 2 of everything. Then you're gonna go ahead and whisk it. You can definitely do it by hand. They say you need about 400 whisks, but if you have a mixer, it does come together a lot quicker. It only takes about a minute if you use a mixer attachment. So go ahead and keep doing that until it gets nice and frothy, and it'll slowly start to thicken up and get nice and fluffy. Once it is nice and fluffy, set that to the side, and then I'm just using some unsweetened almond milk, pouring that over some ice, and then you just have to spoon over top your nice frothy coffee mixture. It creates these beautiful layers. I definitely like stirring in the froth into the milk afterwards because it makes it really light and fluffy. But overall, this is definitely a healthier version of the viral TikTok coffee that is going on right now. It's whipped and delicious and definitely easy to make at home. So if you want to make whipped coffee at home, definitely try this one out. So I hope you guys liked that whipped coffee recipe. If you try this out, be sure to tag me on Instagram so that I can share it. And if you want me to test out more like viral TikTok recipes, I can definitely do that. I feel like there's a lot of them going around. So if you have any requests, make sure to leave them down in the description box below. I'm gonna leave my latest upload right here so you can watch another one of my videos and get some more delicious recipes. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.